So देखो today we are discussing childhood बुझियला and
आज्ञा
which is written by Jawaharlal Nehru बुझियला. So
आज्ञा
I am telling you about the author Jawaharlal Nehru, who was born in the year 1888 and died in the year 1964. We know that he was a freedom fighter along with the person Mahatma Gandhi, as we discussed in London in minus force बुझियला.
आज्ञा
So, a
आज्ञा
freedom fighter and statesman is the first Prime Minister of independent India, and he was Prime Minister since 1947 to 1964. 1947 1964 पर्यंत से दुईथर प्रधानमंत्री भाव निर्वाचित होते and it was a great achievement on the part of the person Jawaharlal Nehru, and he was a great leader बुझियला. And this chapter
आज्ञा
is an excerpt from his autobiography बुझियला. So
आज्ञा
he was also a writer, and we know that he was a great diplomat, he was a statesman, and also our prime minister, and he was the first prime minister of independent India. स्वाधीन भारतर प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री थिले से. He is highly respected for his instinctive sense of diplomacy and great knowledge of international affairs. He was a great diplomat and he had keen knowledge on इंटरनेशनल अफेयर्स अंतर्जातीय संपर्क मजबूत कर भूमिका बहुत गुरुत्वपूर्ण था एंड ही हैड नॉलेज ऑन इट बुझेगा. ही इज अ प्रोलिफिक राइटर इन इंग्लिश एंड रोट ए नंबर ऑफ बुक्स. ही वाज अ ग्रेट राइटर ऑल्सो, एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट ही वाज अ राइटर टू. से भी गोटे बहुत बड़ राइटर थे एंड ही इज अ प्रोलिफिक राइटर इन इंग्लिश एंड रोट ए नंबर ऑफ बुक्स. बहुत सारा बुक्स से लिखिं बुझेगा. So such as the discovery of India. So what were those books written by Jawaharlal Nehru? The Discovery of India, Glimpses of World History, and his autobiography. Those were three masterpieces of the person Jawaharlal Nehru. बुझियला.
आज्ञा
हाँ. So I am telling you about the person Jawaharlal Nehru, and childhood is an excerpt from the Nehru's autobiography. एटा होची गोटे उद्धृतांश तांकर ऑटोबायोग्राफी बा जोटा को आत्मजीवन भाव आम जानिछु. And in the very first unit it is mentioned about the Britishers. The story it is told by here the person Jawaharlal Nehru. बुझियला. So how
आज्ञा
his childhood was spent and how he was the eyewitness of that Britishers बुझियला कि नहीं, and how they tortured us. That is what we will come to know through this discussion today. आम आज जानापी चाहूँ बा जानापी जाऊँ जे जवाहरलाल नेहरू केमती गोटे मुक साक्षी भाव में थे सी दैट हाउ दोज ब्रिटिशर्स हैड बीन डोमिनेटिंग अस आमको केमती से डोमिनेट करते एंड हाउ द इंडियंस वेर द विक्टिम ऑफ दोज टर्चर बुझीगला. किभली भाव में आम शिकार होतलु दयनीय अवस्था आमर केमती थिला से सब विषय से कहते है. सो माय चाइल्डहुड वाज थस अ शेल्टर एंड अनइवेंटफुल वन. आई लिसन द ग्रोन अप talk of my cousins without always understanding all of it. Often this talk related to the overbearing character and insulting manners of the English people. So here in the very first paragraph told by the writer Jawaharlal Nehru that my childhood was thus a shelter and uneventful one. It was not that much unique, the writer has said here. ये कहते से एते यूनिक नथिला, एते इम्पोर्टेंस नथिला से कथा कहते. एंड आई वाज नॉट दैट मच ग्रेट पर्सन लाइक आई वाज ग्रोन अप. एते मु ये भाव में ग्रोन अप होती फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ऑफ माय चाइल्डहुड डेज. बट समथिंग ही लिसन्ड, समथिंग ही नोटिस्ड बुझीगला. से किसी जिन नोटिस करूले. एंड ऑल्सो वी विल कम टू नो दैट हाउ ही बिकेम a great person and how he became the Prime Minister of India. That is what we are going to discuss today. So I listened to the grown-up talk of my cousins without always understanding all of it. From the early days, the person Jawaharlal Nehru used to listen about the Britishers from his cousins, from his neighbors, and he was not able to understand it properly what they were actually talking each other. बुझेला कौन कहली? राइटर ये बुझी पार ना जो से छोट पिला थे सब बेले कौन शुणा पाते द ब्रिटिश राज, अबाउट द सिस्टम ऑफ ब्रिटिश, अबाउट द इंग्लिश पीपुल, अबाउट देयर टर्चर एंड हाउ द इंडियंस वेर बीइंग विक्टिमाइज्ड बाय दोज ब्रिटिशर्स. केमती शिकार होते ब्रिटिशर मान द्वारा से विषय से प्राय टाइम से शुणुले बुझेगा. क्या ठार कजिन्स ठार नेबरस ठू बुझेगा एंड फ्रॉम हिज पेरेंट्स बुझेगा कि नहीं. Often this talk related to the overbearing character and insulting manner of the English people, and most of the time the discussion was being made open the Britishers, how they used to insult Indians बुझियाला. And it was too difficult task on the part of Indians to ଫେସ୍ ବୁଝିଗଲା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ଗଭୀର ଭାବରେ ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ କଷ୍ଟକର କାମ ଥିଲା ସେଭଳିଆ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷକୁ ଫେସ୍ କରିବା ବୁଝିଗଲା ଅନ୍ ଦ ପାର୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଇଟ୍
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ସ ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଟୁ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ଟାସ୍କ ଟୁ ଫେସ୍ ଦୋଜ୍ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ସିଷ୍ଟମ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଟୁ face those British Raj बुझिएला and they used to
ଆଜ୍ଞା
torture us they used to dominate us and we were being dominated by those Britishers बुझिएला so as well as
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Eurasians towards Indians Eurasians बोल कहले यूरोप बा एशियार लोक मान को आज Eurasians बुझिएला
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Eurasians the people from Europe and Asia most of the time the people came to India ହେଲା and Indian
ଆଜ୍ଞା
माने कौन କରୁଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ପାଉନଥିଲେ ବୁଝିହେଲା
ହଁ ସାର୍
towards Indians and how it was the duty of every Indian to stand up to this and not to tolerate it. So it was the time for the Indians to stand against the Britishers and it was the time to be united. बुझिएला on the part of
ହଁ
Indians I
ସାର୍
am telling you what Jawaharlal Nehru noticed. जवाहरलाल नेहरू नोटिस करते कौन यहाँ हूँ एक्चुअली प्रकृत टाइम जे इंडिया को यूनाइट करने आउ टू ऑलवेज स्टैंड अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिशर्स बुझिएला कहीं इट वाज टू डिफिकल्ट टास्क ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द इंडियंस टू टोलरेट दोज टर्चर्स दोज इंसल्ट्स बुझिएला कि नहीं
ଆଜ୍ଞା
हाँ instances of conflicts between the rulers and the ruled were common and were fully discussed. So there was a huge difference between the ruled and the rulers. I am asking you a question here. Who are the rulers? Who were the rulers and who were ruled? Koila?
So the Britishers were ruler.
हाँ
Oh, the Indians were ruled.
very good. बुझिएला
Yes,
so
sir.
it was a notorious fact that whenever an Englishman killed an Indian, he was acquitted by a jury of his own countrymen. बुझिएला छाड़ पाइजिबा that is acquitted. बुझिएला he was not
Okay.
going to be punished. Suppose a Britisher killed an Indian, and we know that that matter would go to the court to decide whether he should be whether that accused should be punished or not. Suppose that accused
Okay.
was a Britisher. That means by the law he should be punished or she should be punished. But it was their system and they were not going to punish that Britisher. If that Britisher had killed an Indian. ବୁଝିଲା କ'ଣ କହିଲି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କ'ଣ ବୁଝିଲା କହିଲ
ସାର୍ ଯଦି ନାଇଁ କି କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ରିଟିଶର ଇଣ୍ଡିଆକୁ ମାରିଦିଏ ତେବେ ତାହେଲେ କିଛି ଜୁରି ବସିବନି ସାର୍
ହଁ the jury
ତାଙ୍କ
हाँ the jury was the jury supported to his people बुझिएला or their people and we know that the system was followed by Britishers बुझिएला system बोली कहले काक बोझा जाउतला ब्रिटिशर मानको and they were not
Britisher
going to
मानकु।
they were not going to punish their own countrymen तांकर लोक मानको से punishment देउ नथिले बुझिएला only
Okay.
person was going to be victimized किए से होउची किए who is already victimized suppose one of our relative had been killed जने मनकर मरि जाइछि बुझिएला so it was the
Okay.
duty of jury that they should punish the accused कि नहीं दोषी जे ताकू दंड देवा कथा कि नहीं
ଆଜ୍ଞା
suppose that accused was a Britisher he or she was not going to be punished after that बुझिएला ताकू
Okay.
केबे दंड दिया जाऊ नथिला काहे कि the
ନଥିଲା
system was followed by Britishers and that accused was a Britisher बुझिएला so most of the
Okay.
time a Britisher if he committed mistake he would be survived बुझिएला
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଭୁଲ କଲେ ବି ତାକୁ ଦଣ୍ଡ ମିଳୁନଥିଲା so that was the system during that period and it was too difficult task on the part of the Indians to tolerate it and it was the duty of the Indians that they should stand against those Britishers and it was the duty on the part of the Indians to be united and to stand against the Britishers together ସମସ୍ତେ ମିଶିକି ଏକାଠି ତାଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଛିଡ଼ା ବା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଫେସ୍ କରିବାର ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ଥିଲା କାହାର ସମସ୍ତ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ମାନଙ୍କର who noticed it Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru who was who was just a small kid and he didn't know much about the Britishers but something he learned from the early of his childhood days बुझिएला
ଆଜ୍ଞା
another system it is another story it is also mentioned here how it was reserved for the Britishers how places seats benches chairs tables everything was stored and everything was reserved for the Britishers even if the place was even if the place was lying vacant no Indian was allowed to sit on that seat बुझीला suppose we
ଆଜ୍ଞା
can take an example of a meeting. Suppose a meeting is going to be held in a park, बुझीला गोटे
ଆଜ୍ଞା
पार्क रे मनकर गोटे मीटिंग होची and some chairs and tables are lying vacant. Some of the Britishers are there and they are sitting on their seats and on their chair on their benches, बुझीला
ଆଜ୍ଞା
and some of the chairs and benches are lying vacant. Suppose I am telling you the example I am telling you, but no Indian was allowed to sit, बुझीला कौन सी इंडियन को
ଆଜ୍ଞା
बसिया ପାଇଁ दिया जाओ नथिला.
ନାହିଁ
So that was the system. देखो it is mentioned here in this paragraph. In railway trains compartments were reserved for Europeans. Europeans कहले बुझौछि काको the Britishers.
ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ହଁ
हाँ. However crowded that train might be and they used to be terribly crowded. No Indian was allowed to travel in them even if or even though they were empty. Suppose माने during the train journeys it is another instances of the insulting manner of Britishers, how they used to insult Indians. ସେମାନେ କିଭଳି ଭାବେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଇନସଲ୍ଟ କରୁଥିଲେ ସେ କଥା କୁହାଯାଇଛି.
କରୁଥିଲେ
During the train journeys, it has been given an example by the writer Jawaharlal Nehru that in the train journeys, all the compartments were reserved for the Britishers and some of the compartments were also reserved for the Indians. Suppose Indian compartments were not lying vacant and it was overly crowded. It was terribly crowded. बुझिला जनगहली पूरा अच्छी सब ब्रिटिशर मानकर सीट किंतु मानकर खाली अच्छी बट नो इंडियन वाज अलाउड टू सिट अलोंग विथ द ब्रिटिशर्स इन द एम्प्टी कंपार्टमेंट. बुझिला हेलो
ଆଜ୍ଞା
बुझिला
ହଁ
इवन दो दे वर एम्प्टी से गुडा को खाली थिले भी नो इंडियन वाज
खाली
अलाउड
थिले.
टू सिट. बुझिला
ହଁ ସାର୍
कौन इंडियन
हाँ, sir.
किंतु बसिया को दिया जाओ नथिला.
ଖାଲି ଥିଲେ ବି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ମାନେ
ହଁ.
ବସି ପାରିବେନି
Even an unreserved compartment would be taken possession of by an Englishman and he would not allow any Indian to enter it. बुझिला कौन कहूँ ये से राइटर कहते that in during the train journeys no Indian was allowed to sit in the vacant seats because all the
हाँ.
seats were reserved for the Britishers.
ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ହଁ ସାର୍
And they were not able or they were not it was actually reserved for the Britishers and they were no Indian was allowed to enter into that compartment even if it was lying vacant. माने खाली थिले भी
ଆଜ୍ଞା
कौन सी इंडियन जाकर बसी पारो
Indian बसी ପାରିବେ
न
ନାହିଁ.
थिले. Another example it is given here by the writer here. देखो पोजीशन माने अधिकार हला POSSESSION पोजीशन. Benches and chairs were also reserved for Europeans in public parks and other places. जेमती मु कहली इन डिफरेंट पार्क्स विभिन्न प्रकार पार्क हो मीटिंग्स हो चेयर और बेंचेस का पाई रिजर्व थिला फॉर द ब्रिटिशर्स और फॉर द यूरोपियंस और फॉर द यूरेशियंस नॉट फॉर इंडियंस. नो इंडियन वाज अलाउड टू सिट ऑन दैट. बुझियला रिसेंटमेंट द मीनिंग ऑफ रिसेंटमेंट लिखो RESENTMENT.
anger
हला ओ रिसेंटमेंट माने एंग्री रागिबा लिखिलो.
ହଁ ସାର୍ ହଁ ସାର୍
खाता काढिछ तो
ହଁ ସାର୍
हाँ. So देखो so 3 examples I have already given you how the person Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru noticed all those things and how Indians were being victimized by the Britishers. बुझिला गोटे हला कहले
ଆଜ୍ଞା, sir.
जेमती दंड पाउ नथले आ गोटे कथा कहले जेमती ट्रेन जर्नी रे केमती हैरान होतले इंडियंस माने आ गोटे कथा कहले जेमती पार्क रे बी चेयर बेंचेस का पे रिजर्व थिला
इंग्लैंड ମାନେ इंग्लैंड ରୁ ହଁ
British, हाँ.
ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ମାନେ
Benches and chairs were also reserved for Europeans in public parks and other places. I was filled with resentment against the alien rulers. Actually, alien rulers कहले काहा बुझौछि those Britishers. बुझियला they were the people from different satellite different planet we can say. बुझियला
ଆଜ୍ଞା
अन्य ग्रह लोक बोली आम कहूँ. So and nobody liked them. No Indian liked them. No any Indian liked them. I was filled with
Liked them.
resentment against the alien rulers of my country who misbehaved this manner. And the person Jawaharlal Nehru was filled with resentment against the alien rulers. बुझियला. So
Okay,
and
sir.
whenever an Indian hit back, I was glad. And केतेबेले खुशी होतले Jawaharlal Nehru when an Indian was trying to hit back a Britisher. केतेबेले मारिया ପାଇଁ चेष्टा କରୁଥିଲା ବା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଝଗଡ଼ା ହେଉଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ he liked it to watch. बुझियला से खुशी लागुଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ. Not infrequently, one of my cousins or one of their friends become personally involved in these individual encounters, and then of course we all got very excited over it. Whenever a cousin of the person Jawaharlal Nehru went to fight against the Britisher, बुझे कि नहीं?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
हाँ, everybody was there to watch in excitement along with the person Jawaharlal Nehru. बुझेला? Jawaharlal Nehru को गोटे cousin थिला who always loved to fight against the Britishers. बुझेला? And most of the fight was going to be taken place. बुझेला कि नहीं? Most of the fightings between those two were going to be taken place, Britisher and one of the cousin of the person Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru. And on those we can say at that particular time the person Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru watched it in excitement. बुझेला?
हाँ सर
And he was feeling
अलग
glad.
भी खुशी।
हाँ, खुशी होतले उत्साहित होतले देखिया पे, and he supported his cousin for that reason. बुझेला? One of the cousin was the strong man of the family, and he loved to pick a quarrel with an Englishman. जोटा मु कहली, he loved to quarrel against a Britisher
Quarrel
or an
with an
Englishman. गोटे Englishman सहित से लागिवा ପାଇଁ से बहुत खुशी लागुतला, and the person Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru was watching it in excitement. बुझिएला? बहुत गभीर भाव से भल भाव खुशी ହେଇକି ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ. Or more frequently with Eurasians, who perhaps to show of their oneness with the ruling race were often even more offensive than the English official or merchant. Such quarrels took place especially during railway journeys, and most of the time the fight was taken place in the train journeys or during the train journeys. Train journey time रे प्राय झगड़ा होतला between the Britishers, between the Indians. बुझिएला?
Indian
And the person whenever he watched it, he got excited. के the person Jawaharlal Nehru जेतेबेले भी देखुतले से excited होतले. Much as I begin to resent the presence and behavior of alien rulers, I had no feeling whatever so far as I can remember against individual Englishmen. I had heard English governess, and occasionally I saw English friends of my father's visiting him. In my heart, I rather admired the English. Bujela, the writer has told something about the Britishers. He didn't like the insulting manner and the misbehavior of those Britishers, and he didn't even like. Bujela, se तांको सहित कथा होनथले, and he didn't like English. Bujela, but apart from that, ताकू छाड़ी आउ कोन थिला, that most of the English persons were the friend of his father Motilal Nehru. बुझिएला? And most of the time, हाँ, most of the time they visited the house of Jawaharlal Nehru and they used to talk with his father. बुझिएला? And the person Jawaharlal Nehru was watching them, and the person Jawaharlal Nehru was noticing them, what actually they were doing at that time when they visited their houses. बुझिएला? ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କର ଘରକୁ ବୁଲିବା ପାଇଁ ଆସୁଥିଲେ କ'ଣ ସେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି କରୁଥିଲେ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ସେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ. And most of the time ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କହିଲି, that some of the friends or some of the Englishmen were the friend of his father, and they used to come to the house of Jawaharlal Nehru and they used to talk with his father on different topics. ବୁଝିହେଲା? About world affairs, ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ସେମାନେ କରୁଥିଲେ, ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ସେମାନେ କରୁଥିଲେ, ସେ କଥା ସେ କହିଛନ୍ତି. ହଁ, so some difficult words are there, we can write it down here. ଦେଖ, sheltered मान ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି protected. ବୁଝିହେଲା?
हाँ सर
हाँ, तापरे अनइवेंट बोल कहले डल बा वीक. It was not that much noticed, it was not that much highlighted. बुझिहेला?
हाँ सर
overbearing बोली कहले arrogant बा proud, जोटा उद्धत बोली कर कहउचे.
हाँ सर
आउ conflicts बोली कहले difference बा पार्थक्य. लिखिछो? लेखु थाओ सब है. acquitted बोली कहले दोष छाड़ पाई जीवा बा दोष माने दोषी धरा न पड़िबा.
हाँ सर
तापर मु कहले resentment माने राग. बुझिहेला?
राग
Alien बोल कहले foreigner, जोटा we know that they are the Britishers and they were the people from different planet. That is what I am telling you. Infrequently कहले occasionally कोड लिखा है. Occasionally the fight, the quarrel took place between one of his cousin and between the alien rulers or the Britishers. And most of the time, and most of the time it was going to be taken place in the or during the train journeys, railway journeys. से टाइम रे सब बेले तांकर झगड़ा होतला. And the person came, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, whenever he watched that incident or whenever he watched that quarrel, he got excited. बुझिएला? or he would get excited. उत्साहित हो जाउतले देखिवा पय और झगड़ा को देखिवा पय. And he always supported his cousin or Indians, and what he liked, the oneness बुझेला द यूनिटी अमंग द
Okay.
इंडियंस ही वांटेड, हैला, एंड इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास वी
Okay.
विल डिस्कस मोर अबाउट इट।